people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. Now in this video, you guys, I want to answer a comment. So you guys, if you want to make you a video, make sure you guys drop it down below. I'll make you a video, but I want to answer a comment that I got saying, how do you get the $500 kickoff account? So I want to show you all my account, and I kind of want to go more into detail with Kikoff and where everything is at, because I see a lot of people are still confused, and this account right here can really change your life. So I don't want you all to be confused. So that $500 account that you were referring to, that's the Kikoff credit account. So you got two different accounts you can get with Kikoff. You can get the Kikoff credit account, or you can get the credit builder loan. Now, I tell people to look at their credit reports. If you guys don't have 4 credit cards reporting, if you're trying to boost your credit score, get that Kikoff credit account. Okay, this is a $500 account that they're going to report. If you guys already have enough credit cards, but you don't have enough installment accounts can be like student loans, your car notes, personal loans. If you don't have at least 2 of those reporting to boost your credit score, then I tell people to get the credit builder loan. So we're going to go over both. So as you can see, this is my real account, you guys. So let's go and look at the different things. So the Kikoff credit account, that's the $500 account. You can see right here, it's a $500 limit. That's the $500 account that the person was referring to. Now, with this $500 account, they'll report that $500 account to Equifax and Experian when you sign up for this account. Now, they had an option where you guys can purchase like ebooks. That's what I did at first. And they also have one where you can pay I think it's like $2 per month for their membership. They have a special membership that you guys can have. So you guys have to make sure you sign up for something, and understand too, I think that you all should do the $2 per month for at least a year. I think if you guys do that for a year, you will see a great increase in your credit score. And I told you guys about the person that their credit score went up 74 points from Kikoff. So you guys definitely need to look into this if you really need to get an account. So this is the $500 account. Now, when you guys sign up for this account, as you can see right here, this is my transaction history. So when I first signed up for the account, I made a $20 purchase. So that was an ebook, but they only wanted me to pay back $2 per month, basically. And with that $2 per month, because I put the $20 on basically this credit card, and it's not really, I don't want to say credit card, it's credit account. It's not really an actual credit card you guys are getting, because I'm getting that too. But I put the $20 on the credit account, and then they told me I had to pay $2 per month. My first payment wasn't due until a month and a half. So if you guys want to sign up for this account, because I talked about this before, how to boost your credit score really quickly when you're broke, then you don't have to worry about paying that $2 right away. It's going to be due in a month and a half. Now, the $24 purchase that you see right here, that is from when I signed up for their yearly membership, because it's $2 per month. 12 times 2 is 24. And that's when I purchased that. And then the auto pay for $2, and then auto pay for $4. You can see my different transactions when I actually purchased. So you can see right here, I purchased the $20. That was the December 6th. And then January 21st, that's when I made the first $2 payment. So that's more than, more than the 6 weeks basically. So definitely, if you guys need an account, definitely sign up for them. Like I said too, they're not going to report to TransUnion for this account. But they'll report to Equifax and Experian. Put it on Autopay. You see I have my card connected. It's on Autopay. Go ahead, get that money out, you guys. That way you guys don't mark me late. Now Kikoff will mark you late, and I haven't been able to remove a late payment for Kikoff. So you guys don't be late on this. Do not be late on this. So that's the $500 credit account. Now this account right here, this is the credit builder loan. Now I told you guys about Self. Self it's like a loan also, but you're basically loaning money to yourself. So I told you guys about that account. This is very similar to that. If you know what Self is, they're reporting to all 3 credit bureaus. But what I have to do is, I'm paying $10 per month, and I'm doing that for 12 months. And then they're reporting to the credit bureaus that I'm paying off a $120 loan. So they're going to report on it for a whole year. And then my loan completion date is going to be January 29th. So this is also on Autopay. I think they charge like an extra 50 cent if you don't have it connected directly to your bank account. But still, you guys, I think that if you guys sign up for this, you guys are going to see a great increase in your credit scores. Like I told you guys, when I first signed up for Kickoff, when it first came out, my credit score went up 37 points. So I love Kickoff before everybody even knew about Kickoff. Like I love them, so I always promoted them. Now, when I first signed up, you guys may have missed this, but I want to show you this so that if you guys see other similar accounts out there, you guys won't hesitate. You'll jump on it and you'll know what to look for. So they had an old account. So they had the KickOff Loan. So you see how I'm paying a $10 per month right now? Well, yeah, we're paying a $10 per month for 12 months. They actually had one where you didn't have to pay anything. They'll just report to the credit bureaus for you. And that's what this KickOff Loan is. And I think I was kind of, let's look at the payments. Yeah, I was late, almost too late. I think I paid right on my due date for that one. Yeah, I was almost too late for that payment. But I paid it on time and I didn't get a late payment for them. So thank God for that. But these were the actual payments. All I had to do back then, you all, is just come in here, click right here. It will say pay your bill, or it's actually said right here. You see how this is like this? It will just say pay now. You just click it and it'll automatically pay it. You didn't have to put any cards in. You didn't have to pay any money. You didn't have to do anything. So I really like the Kickoff account, you guys, because that right there, that 37 points just blew me away. And so many other people said that the Kickoff account helped them. I have the link down below, so go ahead and use the link to go ahead and sign up for Kickoff. And that way it can be tracked so we can know exactly how many people actually signed up for Kickoff. But let me know what your experience is with Kickoff. And if you guys need any additional credit cards, definitely let me know. I wouldn't count this as a credit card. If you guys are trying to get credit cards and I say you need 4 credit cards, I wouldn't count this as a credit card. I would look at it as a bonus because it's only going to report to Equifax and Experian. It's not going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you need 4 credit cards, this technically, to me, it won't be 1, but it can still boost your credit score, but I still wouldn't count it. I wouldn't count it as an actual credit card because like I said too, you guys will have a $500 account, but you will not get it in a credit card in the mail. And a lot of people ask about that, like, where is the card at? When am I going to get it? You're not going to actually get it in the mail. And, you know, you'll have to continue to pay $2 per month to get this, keep this reporting. And it's a $500 limit. I want you guys to have bigger cards than that and have an actual credit card. So that's my thought. That's my thoughts on that. Try to have 4 credit cards and this is not one. But I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'm scheduling calls for those people that need help with credit, home buying. Definitely let me know. Look down in the description. I have a link. I have so much going on in terms of like my health, not being able to walk so well. So I missed a few appointments. If I missed an appointment with you Thursday or Friday last week and possibly yesterday too, then let me know. I can go ahead and reschedule that appointment for you. But most likely you already heard from me. But I'll see you guys in the next video.